Check it out. Two cylindrical objects flew off as Apollo 11 fly over. Oh, they move so fast. This is only a frame that I cut. Unbelievable. Look at that. And there are circular objects there too. Look at that. Well, hexagonal. That's insane, man. Like I say, this deal is just hard to understand and difficult to explain and impossible to comprehend. Because when you have to consider other aspect of this, is become something that you don't want to go there. The supernatural part of it. It has those qualities too. Listen to this guy.
Prompting Rice University physicist Dr. John Freeman Jr. and Dr. H. Ken Hills to pronounce the event one of the most exciting discoveries yet, indicating water within the moon. The two physicists claim the water vapor came from deep inside the moon, apparently released during a moonquake. NASA officials offered a more mundane and questionable explanation. They speculated that two tanks on Apollo descent stages contained between 60 and 100 pounds of water became stressed and ruptured, releasing their contents. Freeman and Hills declined to accept this explanation, pointing out that the two tanks from Apollo 12 and 14 were some 180 kilometers apart, yet the water vapor was detected with the same flux at both sites, although the instruments faced in opposite directions. Skeptics also have understandably questioned the odds of two separate tanks breaking simultaneously, and how such a small quantity of water could produce 100 square miles of vapor. Moon rocks were found to be magnetized, not strong enough to pick up a paperclip, but magnetic nonetheless. However, there is no magnetic field on the moon itself. Where did the magnetism come from? The presence of Maria, or large sea.
See, that's what I'm saying. Everything is magnetized because the electromagnetic vehicles use electromagnetic energy in the form of plasma to soften the ground, and then low frequency sound probably, or whatever, and they lift up the structures, exactly as Dr. Berggruen explained it and showing in his book Ringmakers of Saturn. And this guy is correct. All the samples there were all magnetized, and that's why the Chinese rover didn't go anywhere, because they did not know that the magnetic properties of that thing would short out that thing. Plus, the jagged little pieces in the soil, they regulate, they wreak havoc on the wheels of that thing. The same thing is happening in Mars. Those rovers, the first ones were okay, but the last one they sent, the bigger one, the wheels are semi-destroyed. They're all battered to death because of that. The jagged pieces, and they're magnetic, and they tend to cause problems with the atomic structure of the metal using the wheels. That was a big mistake, using just metallic wheels. I don't know who designed that deal, but I wouldn't just put plain metal. Even if it's a kick-ass alloy, you would have to build something more rubberized.
Seas of smooth sulfide molten rock also presented a mystery. These Maria indicate nothing less than a vast outpouring of lava at some distant time. It's now been confirmed.
Look at that, hexagonal. Just like the Mars face. Look at that, the same qualities. See that, the smooth angled walls. I mean, you can put the Mars face right there and it fits perfectly. And this deal right here.
Some distant time. It's now.
Look at that. That's exactly how the Mars face was made, like this thing right here. This semi-flat dome hexagonal shape with the inclined walls. Incredible, man.
Been confirmed that some of the moon's craters are of internal origin. Yet there's no indication that the moon has ever been hot enough to produce volcanic eruptions.
There's no volcanoes on the moon. That's not a geology deal.
Maria are located on the moon's Earth side hemisphere. Few Maria mark the far side of the moon, often erroneously referred to as the dark side, yet the far side contains many more craters and mountainous areas.
You see, most of the craters have rounded edges. However, there is a variation in the age of these, as we can tell by the sharpness of the edge of the crater.
In comparison to the rest of the moon, the Maria are relatively free of craters, suggesting that craters were covered by lava flow. Adding to this mystery are the mascons, large, dense, circular masses lying 20 to 40 miles below the center of the moon's Maria. The mascons were discovered because their denseness distorted the orbits of our spacecraft flying over or near them. One scientist proposed that the mascons are heavy iron meteorites that plunge deep into the moon while it was in a soft, formable stage. This theory has been discounted since meteorites strike with such velocity they would vaporize on contact.
Exactly.
Another mundane explanation is that the mascons are nothing more than lava-filled caverns. But skeptics say there isn't enough lava present to accomplish this.
There is not one single volcano on the moon. That's bullcrap.
Possibly of artificial construction. It's unlikely that large circular disks located directly under the center of the Maria, like a giant bullseye, happened by accident or coincidence. Between 1969 and 1977, Apollo mission seismographic equipment registered up to 3,000 moonquakes each year of operation. Most of the vibrations were quite small and were caused by meteorite strikes or falling booster rockets. But many other quakes were detected deep inside the moon.
The rumbles, the engines inside that thing, the machinery.
Of our planet, as most moonquakes occur when the moon is closest to the Earth. An event occurred in 1958 in the moon's Alphonsus crater, which shook the idea that all internal moonquake activity was simply settling rocks. In November of that year...
Wow, and let me take a look at this. Wow, look at that structure. Yeah.
Soviet astronomer Nikolai A. Kozyrev of the Crimean
See, look at the plates, how they are. Pam, 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 pam. Double rim, all of them. And triple and tubes coming in, and structures, you name it. I mean, look at that, boy. Look at the rectilinear. Look how all the so-called craters are aligned. Boom, 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 and you can see how they keep in an angle, all of them in diagonals. This one match this one match that one, this one match this one, and this one. Look, pam, pam, pam. You can see the light. You can see the color change between where they align and where they're not the same. I mean, there's so many things here that doesn't match any of that. Meteor impact bull crap. None of it. Same side, look, boom, boom, 3 of them, 4 of them. Same exact diameter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's more of them. Look at that structure there. Football shape. There's another one here. Oh, there's so many anomalies here that it's just, I mean, you could spend days and days looking and finding. Look at that. Look at how organized this deal is. You can see how perfect they match in rectilinear ways. This is insane, man. Look at that crop of structure there. They look glassy and translucent. You can see underground, under that surface, glassy. You can see